Hey guys, so my pet peeve is people who suck at driving. You know what I'm talking about, you've all seen it before, but here are some clips just to give you a reminder.
Texting and other distractions really grind my gears. Slow drivers really tick me off. People speeding really gets under my skin. Road rage drives me nuts, and it can lead to accidents.
So what are some of the causes of poor driving? Well, some of them are texting or talking on the phone while driving, having distractions such as things on the side of the road, drinking coffee, smoking a cigarette, etc. Insufficient training driving, such as learning at driver's ed. Driving impaired or intoxicated, being under the influence of alcohol, being an impatient driver or being angry behind the wheel, and excessive speeding or excessively driving slow behind the wheel, as you saw in the video clips. All these lead to people who are on the road driving dangerously. So how does this impact me? Poor driving impacts everyone and causes them to adjust how they drive in response to poor driving. There are an estimated 160,000 car accidents per year in Canada, causing about 2,900 deaths per year. Many of these can be prevented if people corrected their poor driving habits. Internationally, 1.2 million people are killed every year due to traffic accidents, and up to 50 million people are injured. Poor driving is often the result of laziness, and that is why it is my pet peeve. If people simply cared about what they were doing and attempted to respect the rules of the road, we could reduce poor driving, which will result in less road traffic accidents. Research has shown that individuals who are distracted while driving are 4 times more likely to get into an accident than those who are not distracted. Moreover, individuals who text while driving are 20 times more likely to get into an accident than those who do not text while driving. These two statistics are easily preventable and will drastically reduce traffic accidents. Therefore, it is essential to educate people on the poor driving habits that lead to these large figures. Some ways in which we could do this. This can be done in a number of ways, such as enforcing hefty fines and sentences for such infractions as texting and driving or driving intoxicated. Moreover, in Canada, making driver's education mandatory prerequisite to obtain a driver's license may better educate people on all the rules of the road and proper driving techniques. What does poor driving have to do with public international law? The United Nations has created various laws that apply to driving and road traffic safety. They've done this at a number of conventions, such as the Vienna Convention on Driving Permits in 1968. This convention was pivotal in establishing international requirements each country must fulfill when issuing a driver's license. This is important because it establishes basic laws that govern how an individual can acquire a driver's license, where that driver's license is valid, and basic age requirements for acquiring a driver's license. Thanks for listening to my presentation.